Hello! In this tutorial I'll teach how to create a page with an editable list to manage the records of a database table. So let's log in into our framework, choose the advanced workspace, and let's disable all these tools. Let's select the My First Project, which was the project that we created before, and in the project dashboard we have here the test page that we created before as the add article page 2. So the test page, basically, if we preview it, that's the page that we have the static items that we convert to dynamic items by creating the article table. This was done in the first tutorials. Then we add the add article page to add some records into the article table, which was this one. Now we'll add a new page called the articles list, which simply will contain editable lists that will allow us to edit all the records of the article table. So first thing to do is to create a page, as we did. Choose the templates that I have installed before, and now that we have here our canvas with the corresponding templates, let's go to our database panel and open the article table and drag and drop it into the content region, and then select the list table and with edit action. Let's click proceed, and automatically the system will try to find, or if it doesn't find, to create all the resources and the logic codes corresponding so we can have an editable list. So that's what he's doing currently. As we can see, he already created here an interface, so we can manage that list with the add pop-up, with the edit pop-up, all of that. Okay, it's done, so let's save and let's preview. So if we preview this page, currently it shows us the two records that we have, which is two huge images. So let's set some sizes, some dimensions, so we can have this smaller. So let's put this with the width of 100 pixels in here, and in the edit pop-up the same thing. Let's save. Let's refresh, and voila. Okay, now we have here the list with the two records. So we can add another record, call the record C, whatever, with or without description, doesn't really matter, with a new photo. Okay, and voila. And we can change this photo to something else if we wish to. Example, this is just simple examples how we can remove from the pop-up from here, exactly the same. So basically it's just to show you an example how you can add an editable list. Additionally, if you want, instead of editing the things through the buttons, through these pop-ups, we could do everything inline in here. To do that, the only thing that we needed to do is to go back to our editor, select here the main panel, which is this main div here. So in order to do that more easily, we could just click here canvas toggles and do the show borders, where we can see what is the main div, and in the main div we go to the properties of that main div. Let's open this better, and we go to the dynamic widget properties, and we scroll down to the properties group, and in here below we have here with edit action. So if we expand this group here, we can see that currently we are editing through the button. If we want this to be inline, we just need to choose inline here, and automatically the system, it will change the interface and will create the corresponding resources so we can have an editable list inline, something similar with Excel. And that's it. Thank you very much.